it's Sasa here, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make a Japanese door curtain. It's called Noren, and this is a 3-panel version. Both of the fabric shown here is 100% cotton, and I bought them in Japan. Feel free to use whatever kind of fabric or print that you like. After cutting out your fabric, now we're going to sew the seams. So you only want to sew a small portion so that we can have the slits to be open. If you have the wrong side of the fabric facing upwards, you want to start on your right hand side, and we'll do the hem and go all the way around. So you fold over twice and then you sew. For the corners, I like to use my tweezers to help me fold and hold it in place. When we get to the slit, you continue folding under and hiding all the raw edges. To make the tabs, you fold in half and then you sew a 1 centimeter seam allowance. With the help of a chopstick, I flip it right side out. I iron the tabs first. And then I tuck in the raw edges, and then I iron that flat. Then I fold in half and iron one more time. I sew the opening shut. Then I measure the tabs to be 5 centimeters sticking out. I pin them all on before sewing them. Please tag me if you use this tutorial so I can see your awesome work. And if you want to and can support me creating more free content, either purchase a coffee or buy something from my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching!